Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno 14 and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this phone. So, to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen, which will show you a bunch of toggles, and locate the power saving mode. For me it is right over here. Once you see it, you can just simply tap on it. It brings up this window, turn on power saving mode, and gives you a quick message. Battery life will be extended, but system performance will be reduced and some functions will be disabled. Now this is the most vague explanation of power saving mode that I've ever seen, I think. Actually no, Samsung had the vaguest one for some time where they just didn't give you any info. But in any case, there is one thing to keep in mind right here. When you enable power saving mode, most devices have this thing where they turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data when you're not using the device to preserve battery life, and because of that you'll experience that your notifications aren't being delivered to you on time or just at all when you're not using your device, so just be aware of this. Anyway, we're gonna click on turn on and it gives us a quick message. Battery saving mode turned on. Cool, we don't really care. So there we go. Now once you're done using it and you want to turn it off, find the toggle once more and just simply tap on it once more and this will turn it off. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.